Hey guys, it's a new decade, so I wanted to go over a couple things I'm going to be working on this new year, and going forward I want to get your feedback on some of this stuff. First off, thanks for subscribing and thanks for watching my videos. If you've been watching for very long, you'll know obviously that I do mostly how-to videos, tips, tricks, and things like that. I also have a second YouTube channel that you can check out, and I'll get to that in a little bit. First off though, I wanted to cover some of the things I'm going to try to do different and get some of your feedback and see if you think this is the right way to go about it. So, as you know, there's countless channels out there that talk about how to do this, how to do that. Here's the thing that I really like to separate. Instead of going step by step and showing you things that you can see on countless other YouTube channels, like how to put brakes on a Honda Civic 1,000 times the same thing. What I like to do in my channel is show you the little tips or the little trouble spots that you have in the process. So I can show you the whole process, but what I really like to key in is start to shorten my videos and only show the little tips and tricks for where you get in trouble, possibly a custom solution for that. One of my strengths is I'm a creative thinker, so I come up with unique solutions for things. For instance, if you need a special tool, I can usually find a workaround to that where we do it a different way or build your own special tool to get the job done. That helps save you money and save you time. I'm all about saving money and doing things myself. I also like to find out clever ways to accomplish the same thing. So that's the first thing I want to change this year. So the second thing I'd like to improve on this coming decade is to incorporate more topics, add a little variety, definitely have some fun about it. My videos have been pretty straightforward and serious up to this point. I've done a lot of stuff on car repair, truck repairs, tractor repairs, almost all mechanical related stuff, but I do a lot of other things also. Say just in the last 2 weeks I've put on a metal roof, replaced a water heater, fixed a microwave. I dabbled with this a little bit last year when I posted one of the videos repairing a laptop computer. So I do a lot of other things. So I'm looking for topics, things that you'd be interested in to see, to add to my channel. I'm also going to try to add some fun stuff in with some of the other things I'm interested in, like motocross, dirt bikes, four-wheelers, boating, fishing, stuff like that. So tell me what's up, what you'd like to see, and I'll try to incorporate some of that stuff into my new videos here. Now the last thing I want to cover on the subject of topics is my other channel. About a year or so ago I started another channel because I kind of had a feeling that my audience on the mechanical side wasn't terribly interested with all the landscape related topics that I cover. I cover a lot of reviews on landscape equipment, landscape techniques, projects that we do with my landscape company, things like that. So if you want to watch things about how to do landscape projects, or which aerator is the best, or how to fix an electric dog fence or irrigation system, maybe take a look at that channel. I'll post a link up to it also right here. It's Columbus Landscapers, so you can check that out. So all my landscape, lawn aeration, and turf care related topics in the future I'm going to be posting there. While this channel I'm going to try to keep it just a mechanical and start to add in some of these various topics. If you're interested in any of that stuff, go over to Columbus Landscapers, subscribe to that channel also, see all my newest videos. So the last thing I want to cover that's going to be new to my channel is, it's been done before. I'm going to mix it up a little bit, so it's going to be a little bit different, but I'm going to do something that I really can't get enough of. I've got a little bit of an obsession with it. So I love my tools. I can't get enough of them. I buy tools almost every day. So I'm going to start what you've seen before probably, Tool Tuesdays. I'm going to take a tool that either I just bought or one that I'm going to get. Like for instance, when I put the water heater in yesterday, I bought this pipe cutter. I've already got probably 5 of them, but I really like this one because it opens up real quick like that. After you snug it down, you can just tighten it up
And, you know, if you loosen a little bit, you just pop it to get it right off the thing. So I'm going to be doing some reviews on tools, things like that. I bought a little mini one too, so it'll fit in tight spots. I've already got probably these for doing brake lines and whatnot. But I've got everything from big equipment, welders and power tools, air compressors, down to small hand tools and things like that. I've got really cheap stuff that I buy from Harbor Freight. I've got really expensive high dollar tools also. Sometimes I want to show you how to use them. Other times I'm just going to do a quick review on them, talk about them, unpack it. Maybe I'll have it compared to some other ones, like you know, pipe cutters. I might put 10 of them out there and do a little test. So I'm going to mix it up a little bit on my Tool Tuesdays. Hopefully you can watch some of those. I don't know what the frequency yet is. I don't know if it's going to be weekly or monthly or bi-weekly. I'll figure that out. Why don't you guys let me know what kind of tools you're interested in, and I'll try to post some of that stuff up. Overall, I'm going to try to make this year a little better. My editing skills are getting a little bit better. I'm going to try to adjust the volume levels for some of the intros and the music. Hopefully that makes it a little better. I'm not going to try to bore you too much with too many step-by-steps watching me turn a wrench. That gets boring seeing somebody loosen the same bolt for 10 minutes. So I'll either fast forward that part or just drop it out until there's something that's, you know, tricky to get to and you need to see. So, hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this one, Notorious JPG. Also, if you're interested in landscape, turf care, seeding, lawn aeration, outdoor maintenance type stuff, check out my other channel, Columbus Landscapers. Hey, thanks for watching. Let's have a great decade.